Welcome to Retire Too Soon, and today we'll be doing a track bar on a 2000 Dodge Ram 2500 4-wheel drive. Here's the new track bar. First what I'm going to do is take off the bolt right here. This is on the passenger side. I'm going to be using a 7/8 or a 22 millimeter. Once you get that bolt out, here's what it looks like. It's in there like, it's in there like this, facing down. You want to move to the other side. Next, you want to come over to the driver's side, right there. You need to pull this cotter pin out, and I'll let you know what size it is in a minute. It's the same size socket on this side. I use a 7/8 to get the castle nut off. So next, just gotta push it down, and it should come out. A little trick: if you put the castle nut back on a few threads, when you hit it with the hammer, it won't mess up the threads. Also, you want to jack up the driver's side of the truck just a little bit to get the pressure off of it. Make it a lot easier. Alright, once you get it out, it might be a good time to make sure it's the right size, and it should fit perfect. Next, you have to go in reverse order and put it back in. When installing this side, first push it in, wiggle it back and forth as you move it in. When you get enough of the hole where the bolt goes, you take a screwdriver or a punch and you just move it up until you center and line up the hole so you can put the bolt through. Once you get it in, put the castle nut on and put the cotter key in, and then make sure you grease it up. There's a little fitting, I can't see it, but hopefully you guys can see, on the bottom there, and fill it up with grease. Make sure you get this side tied down, and you're done. Next, take it for a test drive. Alright, boys and girls, got that done, took it for a test drive. Seems to be driving a lot better. So we'll see how it does in time. So we got a few more upgrades to do on the front end and around the truck. So thanks for watching. 2020, subscribe, punch, kick, slam, hit that button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.